Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you an amazing method to advertise beacons using iOS SwiftUI on iPhone device. So the first thing you need to do is make a SwiftUI project. You need to import core Bluetooth core location. You need to add into your info playlist, you need to add privacy Bluetooth always usage description. So permission for using Bluetooth with some message. Then after that, when you run your project on device, you need to confirm, you need to allow to use Bluetooth. The next thing you need to do is make a class, name it as you want. I named it beacon class, that inherits from NS object and that it needs to conform to observable object and CB peripheral manager delegate. In this example, we will advertise some beacon from our device. In this example here, we don't need discovered beacons and we also don't need observable object. I will try to build project. Okay, no, that's a mistake. We do need observable object because this is a state object. After that, we need to initialize our peripheral manager with delegate self, and this is a nil. You need to make some UID. You can use like here I'm using some my string, or you can just call UID and it will generate something. You also need to use region, CL beacon region, and initialize that. And I believe that we don't need this. Yes, that's okay. So this is initializer of this class. And basically what you need to do is make start advertising method. And this is the method that you need to implement. So when the state changes of peripheral manager. Switch when peripheral manager state is powered on, we need to start advertising. When it is powered off, we need to call our peripheral manager and stop advertising. Default break, that's it. And the most complex and the logic is in this function. So here first thing we check is if this is initialized. So if it's not, then we just return. And after that, we check the state of our peripheral manager. So it is powered on. After that, so if it is not powered on, we will just print that it is not in a powered on state. And if it is, we make peripheral data from our region peripheral data with measured power nil in this example, and cast it to string any. Okay, that's something that you can use, and you can basically use this right now to just call peripheral manager, start advertising, and pass peripheral data, and that's it. The advertising started. However, what I did here was that I added additional data. As you can see here, CB advertising data local name key, and I will name it my iPhone 11. This is the name in order to, when I scan with other device, to know which one is the mine. Okay. CB advertising data service UID. This is some string. It is not important in this tutorial. And what you need to do is make a merge data. So use this peripheral data from region and merge it with this additional data. And then we pass this merge data to start advertising. I will now run this on my iPhone 11. You won't see that because there is basically no user interface. It's just text. But this is the whole logic. The whole logic is here because we initialize beacon class, and when it changes the state, we start advertising. And now I will show you my Android phone. So on Android phone, I have a scanner application from Google Play Store. And as you can see here, my iPhone 11. So this is the beacon that we advertise from this application. And basically that's it. That's all you need to do in order to advertise some beacon from iOS application using SwiftUI. I will leave you the code in the description below, and you can see now when I killed my application on iPhone, and right now there is no that beacon anymore. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next one.